Now the next question which is given is, draw Bohr's model for the following atoms indicating the location for electrons, protons and neutrons. Some atoms are given to us. We are given their atomic number as well as atomic mass, and we are asked to draw their Bohr's model and indicate the position of electrons, protons and neutrons. The first atom which is given is carbon. Atomic number is 6 while mass number is 12. With the help of this information, we will write the number of protons, electrons and neutrons. Atomic number of carbon is 6. It means how many electrons are present in carbon? There are 6 electrons as well as there are 6 protons. Since we know what is atomic number? Atomic number is the number of protons which are present inside the nucleus of an atom. If atomic number is 6, it means number of protons are 6. So for carbon, number of protons are 6. We know atom is a neutral particle. It means it must have equal number of electrons as well as protons. If protons are 6, then electrons must also be 6. So number of electrons are, for carbon, number of electrons are also 6. Mass number of carbon is 12. With the help of mass number, we can calculate the number of neutrons by using the formula A minus Z. A is equal to mass number while Z is equal to atomic number. So we can calculate number of neutrons is equal to, we use the formula A minus Z. By using this formula, we can calculate number of neutrons is equal to A minus Z. A is the mass number. The value of mass number is 12 while the value of atomic number is 6. 12 minus 6 is equal to 6. So how many neutrons are present in carbon? There are 6 neutrons. Now we will write these number of electrons in carbon. Number of electrons are 6. How these 6 electrons are distributed in different shells? Out of 6 electrons, the 2 electrons are present in first shell, which is K shell. There are 2 electrons. And remaining 4 electrons are present in second shell, which is known as L shell. So we'll write the 4 electrons, 1, 2, 3, 4. In this way, we write the number of electrons in K and L shell for carbon atoms. Mass number of carbon is 12. It means in the nucleus of carbon, there are 6 protons as well as 6 neutrons. I hope this is clear. Now we will see the next element which is given. The next element which is given is chlorine with atomic number 17 and mass number 35. With the help of atomic number and mass number, we will find the number of protons, electrons and neutrons for chlorine atom. Now we write the atomic number of chlorine is 17. It means how many protons are present in the nucleus of chlorine? Yes, atomic number means number of protons. So number of protons for chlorine, number of protons are 17. Since atomic number of chlorine is 17, number of electrons are also 17. Number of electrons are also 17 for chlorine atom. How can we find the number of neutrons? Which formula is used? Number of neutrons. To calculate the number of neutrons, we use the formula A minus Z. A is the mass number. What is the mass number of chlorine here? The mass number of chlorine is 35. And what is the atomic number of chlorine? Atomic number of chlorine is 17. So by subtracting 17 from 35, we get 18. So how many neutrons are present in chlorine? In chlorine, we have 18 neutrons. Now here we can notice atomic number of chlorine is 17. It means inside the nucleus of chlorine atom, we have 17 protons. And here we find 18 neutrons. What is the position of neutrons in an atom? neutrons are present along with protons inside the nucleus. So in the nucleus of chlorine we have 17 protons and 18 neutrons. Now we will write the number of electrons in different shells. We distribute 17 electrons in different shells. Out of 17 electrons, 2 electrons are present in the first shell, which is known as K shell. So we write 2 electrons in the first shell, 2 electrons are present in K shell. And what is the capacity of L shell? The second shell is known as L shell. L can accommodate maximum number of 8 electrons. So we write 8 electrons in L shell. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 electrons are present in L shell. Now in M shell, remaining electrons which are left, 7 electrons are left, so we write 7 electrons in third shell, which is known as M shell. So in the M shell we have 7 electrons. We write 7 electrons here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we write 7 electrons in M shell. In this way we write number of electrons for chlorine atoms in different shells, and we write their positions of protons and neutrons which are present inside the nucleus, while 17 electrons are present in different energy levels or shells. I hope this is clear.